This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Twitter raises its API pricing up to $42,000 per month. Many big tech icons are calling on all AI labs to pause on training new AI systems. Cerebras, a Silicon Valley-based startup, creates the world's largest and most powerful AI chip ever made, and more. Twitter has changed its API pricing, causing a significant impact on independent developers who create third-party Twitter apps. Twitter's new API pricing structure includes a minimum monthly fee of $2,499 and additional charges based on the number of users on the third-party app. These fees are much higher than the previous pricing structure, which had a minimum monthly fee of $149. The new pricing structure includes a higher minimum monthly fee and charges based on the number of apps of users, which smaller developers can't afford. As a result, many popular Twitter apps have been shut down, and there are concerns that Twitter's prioritization of larger enterprise customers over independent developers could lead to a decline in the quality of third-party apps. This reflects a broader trend in the tech industry where larger companies are dominating the market, making it difficult for smaller players to compete. There are calls for more support for independent developers and a re-evaluation of the power dynamics between large tech companies and smaller players. In other news, more than 1,100 signatories, including Elon Musk, Steve Wozniak, and Tristan Harris of the Center of Humane Technology, have signed an open letter calling on all AI labs to pause for at least 6 months the training of AI systems more powerful than GPT-4. The letter argues that there is a level of planning and management that is not happening, and that instead, in recent months, unnamed AI labs have been locked in an out-of-control race to develop and deploy ever more powerful digital minds that no one, not even their creators, can understand, predict, or reliably control. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman had responded by stating that OpenAI has not started training GPT-5 and that the company has long given priority to safety and development and spent more than 6 months doing safety tests on GPT-4 before its launch. In addition to the letter, the nonprofit research organization Center for AI and Digital Policy, CAIDP, has filed a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission, or the FTC, alleging that OpenAI's GPT-4 model is biased, deceptive, and threatens privacy and public safety. The complaint claims that OpenAI violated FTC guidelines for transparency, fairness, and explainability of AI, and calls for independent reviews of GPT products and services before launch. CAIDP hopes that the FTC will investigate OpenAI and suspend future releases of large language models until they meet the agency's guideline. The FTC has declined to comment on the complaint, and OpenAI has not responded yet. Critics of ChatGPT and similar models have warned of problematic output, including inaccurate statements, hate speech, and bias. CAIDP also points out that OpenAI has warned that AI can reinforce ideas whether or not they are true. The complaint raises concerns that people may rely on AI without double-checking its content, even though upgrades like GPT-4 are more reliable. The complaint also calls for the creation of an incident reporting system and formal standards for AI generators. The FTC's response to the complaint could affect development across the AI industry. Cerebras, a Silicon Valley-based startup, has developed a new chip called the Wafer Scale Engine 3, which is designed specifically for large-scale AI computation. The chip is the largest and most powerful AI chip ever made, with 2.6 trillion transistors and 850,000 AI cores. This breakthrough has significant implications for the field of AI, as it allows for the development of much more advanced and complex AI models. The chip can process more than 40 trillion calculations per second, making it ideal for tasks such as natural language processing, computer vision, and deep learning. Some AI researchers have criticized the use of large-scale computing because it goes against the principle of simplicity and interoperability in AI models. Cerebras' breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize the field of AI and calls for more honesty and transparency in the AI community about the use and benefits of large-scale computing. Finally, Valve has announced that its Steam gaming platform will no longer support Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 8.1 starting January 1, 2024. At the end of the supported date, the Steam client software will stop working in these versions of Windows, as core features in Steam rely on the embedded version of Google Chrome that no longer functions on older Windows versions. Valve has also said that the future version of Steam will require Windows features and security updates only present in Windows 10 and above. The company encourages users to upgrade their systems to a more recent version of Windows to continue playing their games via Steam and protect themselves from potential security threats. Users running Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 can still upgrade to Windows 10 for free using a digital license. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.